Well, as we remembered those who fought for our country this past Memorial Day, it's also important to remember the services that are available to our veterans when they come home from war. And this afternoon, we are joined by Kelly Maynor with InterFaith Health Center to talk more about the benefits available to veterans here in East Tennessee. And tell me a little bit about what is available through InterFaith.
Sure. So InterFaith Health Center, we opened in 1991, and we are there to serve people who are working without health insurance. We provide health care, and that includes primary care, dental care, general dentistry, also mental health counseling, and prescription assistance. So we kind of provide the full gamut of care to people who don't have health insurance benefits. So we're there to kind of help people who fall through the cracks of the health insurance system.
And you recently got a grant that's helping with all this. Tell me about that.
We did, yeah. About a year ago, we did a little research in our community because we are there to help kind of fill the cracks and help those who fall through the cracks. And we realized that there are some veterans in our community that may either not have TRICARE coverage or may have difficulty accessing those health care services they need. And so we partnered with the Trinity Health Foundation of East Tennessee. They gave us a grant to implement what we call the Saluting Service Initiative. And that's basically an initiative to help veterans get the health care access they need.
And who would qualify for these sorts of things, and how would you find out if maybe you're able to get some help?
Sure. So InterFaith services are open to anyone in the community that is working or has some form of income without health insurance. Specifically for this initiative, though, we're targeting veterans and their families. The best way to find out if they qualify is to call 865-546-7330, and they'll ask you a few questions over the phone about your income and your household size in order to determine eligibility.
You said you had sort of done this survey in the community and figured out that there was this need. Was it surprising to you how many veterans maybe are in need of these services out there?
It was. Initially, we thought, if you've served any length of time that you would have access to resources, and that's not always the case. So we are hoping to kind of be the missing link in that and maybe contribute where we can with primary care and general dentistry for our veterans.
And you have an event coming up tomorrow. Tell me about that.
We do. Yeah, we're really excited to be having our very first Veterans Health Outreach event. It's going to be at InterFaith's campus, which is 315 Gill Avenue. It's located just north of downtown. And it's from noon to 4 p.m. tomorrow. And we're inviting all veterans in our community and their families to stop by. There's going to be free health screenings, also giveaways and food, an opportunity to talk to our clinicians about any of their health care concerns. Really just an opportunity to kind of showcase what InterFaith does in hopes that we can help some families out.
And if they want some help beyond sort of this one day, do they need to bring anything with them to maybe get registered, so to speak, through InterFaith?
Yeah, tomorrow they would just need to come, just answer a few questions. We can do a pre-qualification at the event, and then we'll have some people on site to help them kind of move through the next steps.
And if folks want to get some more information, is there a phone number they can call, a website they can go to?
Sure, you can check out our website or our Facebook page, InterFaith Health Center, or call us again at the clinic, 865-546-7330.
All right, thank you so much. We appreciate you stopping by, and good luck at that event tomorrow.
Brittany.